guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a sniper scope into your film. And like always, you can download all the assets by clicking in the link in the description below. So jumping right into it, I'm going to show you guys how to add this sniper scope into your films. So when you download the project files, it'll give you this folder, sniper scopes, and it'll give you all these 4 sniper scopes that you can add into your project files. I also offer the Adobe Illustrator project file, so you can edit the scope however you want. But if you don't have Adobe Illustrator, you can still use these PNGs, and it's just drag and drop. You just drag it into whichever movie editing software you're using, and it will be PNG, so there's no background. It'll just be like an overlay. So if I want to add, let's say, sniper scope number 4, I can drag this and drop it, and it'll load it up. And then let me make this back up. So this is sniper scope number 1, and I can just bring in sniper scope number 4, drag and drop it. It's pretty big, so we want to scale it down. So we want to shrink it, and it's a little high, so I'm going to kind of stretch it maybe a little bit on the width side, about right. Yeah, like about right there. And that's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. And now you have like a sniper scope in your film that you can use however you want. And like always, all the assets are in the link in the description below. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you disliked it, dislike it. Sub for more. GG guys. I'm out.